Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, August 20th. A pretty pleasant morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region, but we'll experience a noticeable increase in heat and humidity over the next 3 days. Today, tomorrow, and Thursday should be quite warm and humid, especially compared to the cooler than normal weather that we've experienced here in the Mid-Atlantic region over the past several days. There is already a cooler weather in sight, however, as a cool front should push through the region late in the day on Thursday by early Friday, paving the way for what looks like a very nice upcoming weekend with comfortable conditions once again here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Let's take a look at the current surface map. Frontal system still exists along the southeast coast. That is kind of acting as a focus for some heavier showers and thunderstorms. Again, most of the heaviest rainfall in the nation will occur in this part of the country over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. High pressure continues to sit right on top of the Mid-Atlantic region, dominating the weather scene back to the Midwest. It's basically calm conditions overnight. Has led to some patchy fog, especially across some of the valley regions in central Pennsylvania. That should burn off over the next couple of hours. Plenty of sunshine today, along with those noticeably warmer and more humid conditions. Still a lot of Pacific moisture, monsoonal type moisture moving into the southwestern part of the country, but rather hot. The southern Rockies, Denver, for example, should approach 90 degrees today, and really for the next several days it'll be very warm out there with scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Still quite cool right along the coast in Southern California, with a persistent marine layer of air causing late night and early morning low clouds and fog, and cooler than normal conditions along the coast. In the interior, it'll warm up to noticeably warmer levels over the next couple of days. Well, here's a current look at the visible satellite imagery in the northeastern part of the country from the Penn State EWOL site. A lot of these low clouds here actually are valley fog, or fog, especially in the valleys, all the way down to the D.C. region. There's quite a bit of fog this morning, even a little bit in Chester County, southeastern part of Pennsylvania, and central New Jersey. Again, it was a calm night. We're getting to the time of the year where the nights are increasingly long and fog becomes more and more of an issue as we roll into the fall, especially September and October. And again, we have some patchy fog out there this morning. Should burn off over the next hour or two. Plenty of sunshine throughout the Mid-Atlantic region for today. Here's kind of a broader view using satellite imagery. This is infrared satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Those low clouds and fog do not really show up too well here from this broad view, but see mostly clear skies, at least predominantly clear skies throughout the heartland of the country. Again, some moisture in the southwestern part from monsoonal type moisture flow off the Pacific Ocean. Lots of low clouds can be seen here in this infrared satellite loop just off the Southern California coast. Overcast right now in LA. And again, the most likely area for heavy showers and thunderstorms will again exist in the southeastern part of the country along that stalled out frontal system that's been sitting there for the last several days. Well, let's take a look at some forecast maps. This is from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. The basic setup here in the northeastern part of the country. Much warmer and more humid for the next 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but another cool front comes through late in the day Thursday. By early Friday, we'll have lowering humidity on Friday, and then it looks like a very pleasant weekend. Comfortable temperatures and humidity levels moving back into the Mid-Atlantic region for this weekend. So certainly not a long-lasting or an extreme heat wave by any stretch of the imagination, just more typical summer-like weather for the next few days, the kind we have not experienced in quite a few days, as we've had cooler than normal conditions. This is the forecast map for tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning. High pressure basically off the East Coast at this time. Southwesterly flow promoting that warm up with more humid conditions. Pretty dry here, but there can be a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, especially across the D.C. region. There can be a shower or thunderstorm, but basically very warm and humid up and down the I-95 corridor. Should be fairly close to the 90-degree mark for afternoon highs on Wednesday. And again, today will be noticeably warmer with high temperatures basically in the mid to upper 80s across the I-95 corridor. Now here's the forecast map for Thursday morning. Definitely a chance of a shower or thunderstorm come Wednesday night, and an increasing chance on Thursday. Here's that frontal system by Thursday morning. across the Great Lakes region, headed to the east. And here we go again, another Canadian-born high-pressure system dropping to the southeast from the southwestern part of Canada. That will move right into the mid-Atlantic region for the weekend. Right now, the weekend looks spectacular with comfortable temperatures and humidity here in the northeastern part of the country. This frontal system will increase our chances for showers and thunderstorms come Thursday afternoon and evening here in the mid-Atlantic. Well, here's the GFS forecast map for Friday morning. By this time, the cool front is just now moving off the east coast. Strong high pressure moving into the northeastern part of the country, now dominating the scene come Friday morning over the Great Lakes. Look at this northerly flow of air just pushing back into the mid-Atlantic region. Some comfortable air with lowering humidity on Friday. And right now, it looks like we're setting up for a very nice weekend here up and down the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Philly to New York City, with mostly sunny skies on Saturday and Sunday, with comfortable temperatures and humidity after a few days of summer-like heat and humidity. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.